Before coming to Waring, I had two siblings, a brother and a sister. They were both way older, and they would always talk about Waring in a way that I never really understood. They would talk about it like it's their home.
So I came to Waring in 8th grade, and I was on varsity starting my first year, and I think it was really a good opportunity for me to help make connections with the older students, because during like practices and games, there's a lot of talking in sports.
I never really understood that until camping trip this year, when I was so excited to come to camping trip and to see everyone.
I feel like when you're able to talk to other people on the field, it gives you like more conversation starters in like the classroom or in the hallway.
For me, in sports, it's a way to like grow connection with people, and I've become a lot closer with my peers.
People that I don't even really know will like come up to me and have like a full conversation about what they're learning about or just something.
Because of the wide age variety in our teams, I become closer with younger kids, and it's just a fun experience to be able to know people in a classroom environment and then also be able to work with them on the sports field.